Arjun. Finally, the day that we have been waiting and dreaming of has come. Words cannot describe what I'm feeling right now. We stand here today in front of the Lord, our families, friends, and loved ones, as they witness the beginning of a new chapter in our lives.
Honey, first of all, I want to thank God for blessing me with you. From the moment you walked into my life, you changed it in ways I never imagined. Your love, kindness, and support have been my strength. Whenever I doubt myself, you're always there for me.
Our love story was unexpected in many ways, thanks to your sister Arian. She paved the way for me to meet the most makulit and pasaway, yet the most gentle and caring guy that I have ever met.
Be like me. Dahil OFW din yung kanyang magiging husband, dapat maging strong din siya.
Kapag nag-decide na mag-asawa yung isang lalaki at isang babae, hindi na sila dalawa o hindi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi po pwedeng paghiwalayin. Tanging kamatayan lamang ang pwedeng maghiwalay, no?
Cancel na natin. Cancel na.
Basta anak, lagi ako nakasuporta sa iyo kahit na anong mangyari. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, alam mo yung pagmamahal ko sa iyo, hindi magbabago yun. Lalo na pag nagkaanak ka na anak, alagaan ko yung apo ko sa iyo. Talagang hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Lahat gagawin ko para sa inyo magkakapatid. Mahal na mahal kita.
Parang kailan lang, estudyante tayo, lagi kitang sinusundo sa rekto. Lalakarin natin ang Moraita hanggang Espanya. Simple lang ang ating buhay. Tapos kakain tayo sa John Ken. Sino mag-aakala, after almost 10 years, nandito tayo ngayon?
Lucky to have you and finally call you my husband. You were there to always see and do the little things for me. You were the one who knew that I cried even though my tears were dried already. You know when I'm tired, when you ask me to take some more rest. And you know when I'm hungry, kapag nagsusungit na.
Hold me close, never let go.
You were always there with me on my good days and bad days. You chose me whether I'm good, sometimes, and masungit pag gutom, and may toyo most of the time. And I'm thankful. I didn't know what I did to deserve someone like you, the most patient guy that I ever met. Thank you for choosing me and loving me unconditionally, and for also loving my parents, whom I love the most.
Amen. I found you, you found me. Oh darling, I've been praying to someone, praying for someone like you. Amen. You're my missing piece. Oh darling, I've stopped praying for someone since you came along. So amen.
I hope you will always remember that distance is not a hindrance to our love. In the days when we are apart, I hope you'll know and feel that I am always here right beside you. Not only as your wife, but also as your best friend, your soulmate, and your number one supporter. From now on, you are my life, my home, and my forever. I love you.
Pinapangako ko na ako ay sa iyo at sa iyo lamang. Maubos man ang aking buhok, hanggang dulo, I do love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Amen. I found you, you found me. Oh darling, I've been praying for someone like you. Amen. You're my missing piece. Oh darling, I've stopped praying for someone since you came along. So amen. I found you, you found me. Oh darling, I've been praying for someone like you. Amen. You're my missing piece. Oh darling, I've stopped praying for someone since you came along. So amen. Oh darling, I've stopped praying for someone since you